It's another wheel feature here at Morongo. The buttons are really sticky. I am pressing play. There we go. Safe from the Mini. Are we going to be on minor, or are we going to trickle over to Mega Hat? We're going to trickle over to Mega Hat. It's the regular, not the upgrade, but we could get a mansion. We could get a wheel on the mansion. That would be pretty good. Press play again, huh? Oh, I forgot to count. Count along at home and you'll know where it's stopping. There we go. Yeah, good. I thought I had the count, but yeah, blah, blah, blah. All right, re-triggers. This game is all about the re-triggers. There we go. Oh, very nice re-trigger. 3 become wood houses, 3 new straw, making it harder and harder to hide for the upgrades. Very nice. Oh, wow. 4 mansions? Wowzers. That was 4 very well-placed hats. All right, that'll be another mansion. 5 mansions. Re-trigger, make it more fun. It is a re-trigger that is more fun, and we're going to get another mansion out of it. All right. Well, you can do that again, and I will not be upset. All right. Hard to complain. 6 mansions on the board. 2-cent machine. All the numbers you see will be doubled. Unless I hit the major, they won't double that. Probably won't double the grand either. Fairly low for the houses. I mean, for the straw huts. What are we going to do for the house? $3 there. See some big coins. Many, many. Nonetheless, a very tidy was $194.30. I'd say that's in the category of a good bonus. Ta-da! Okay, I'm much in favor of that happening. We'll do a few backups. That was nice. That makes me happy. This would be a fantastic time to get a howl or a tail bonus coming in out of the blue. Doesn't appear as if that's happening any very quickly. So remember to like, subscribe, leave comments, and of course, thank you for watching. Hey Carmen, what was the sound you heard immediately before you got this bonus?
How? Well, I actually didn't. I didn't think it was gonna.
Okay,
that
hey.
was it. That's as close as you get.
Ultra hot slots, do you hear how it's done? There we go.
Hey.
Every re-trigger is a nice re-trigger. Oh, wanted that next hat for the re-trigger. So we are at an angle because I'm sitting next to Carmen, recording both of our bonuses. Oh, and she gets another mansion.
You won 3 games.
All right, we're gonna go 2 mansions this time.
broke.
Maybe that's why she left.
Wow. Here come my coins.
Wheel! All right.
A wheel? Does that mean I get to like spin again?
Well, did you hear the tone of my voice?
Yes, I did.
Did I sound like I was...
You sounded like you were very excited.
All right. I haven't had one of those this weekend. And really, that's an excellent thing to get there.
All right. Well, here it is.
You know what I think? I think it was that howl you made. You want to do it again for the...
No, not really.
Oh.
Just watch my machine for me.
Absolutely.
Yes, he's still playing. That's why he left $3,400 in. Oh, no, oh, keep going, get to major, you're not going to get to major. Oh, so that wheel just, I think it's $10 extra, but
So close, and yet
so far away, like
so far away.
my 5 of hats right there.
All right.
All right, remember to like, subscribe, leave comments,
And say thank you.
and yes, oh, I'm supposed to say thank you.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank you.
leave comments, thank you, say thank you.
Thank you.
Howl.
Oh.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
Well, I wasn't recording the very start of this bonus at Morongo. Got the Mansions feature, Huff and More Puff. The regular version, not the even more puff, but we got a Mansion feature. And there's a big $1,400 major sitting out there. I'm sure we'll get it on one of these mansions. All right, retrigger, fantastic. One hat. Oh, that's not good. That's also not good. All right, 2 hats is really a mansion feature. It's not that bad, is it? All right, a retrigger is better because you get 3 hats and you get to spin again. Ooh, another retrigger and I'm full. Oh, 1 away from filling the screen. And 14 mansions. Certainly one of them will be the major. All right, Wolfie, let's get some big old coins in there. The minors are still 100. Coins are fun. Many times 2. Many times 2. Minor. Okay. That's going to be an excellent bonus. What is that? $485 of bonus? I think, did we get a really big mansion number in there? Nope, not really. I was looking for one of those 75s. It just happened to be an all-around great bonus. So, $485, 20 cents of mansions. We'll do a few backups. I'd say we're very happy with that. See, I think I said we're at Morongo. Oh, Carmen and I were playing a venti session on these two. Huff and More Puffs a little earlier today. She got tired of playing, so she's just sitting watching TV in one of the bars. And I get to go do a little more play. All right, doesn't look as if anything else is going to happen here, so remember to like, subscribe, leave comments, and thank you for watching a really good mansion bonus. And looky, it was a Wolfie tail. Turned 5 hats into 7. Oh, darn it. Thought I was going to get a retrigger. There, we did get a retrigger this time. Let's keep it up. More re-triggers in that same spot would be nice. Yeah, not a re-trigger, but it did promote 2 to wood, and those 2 just became mansions. Fantastic Amundo, and there's another mansion with an upgraded house. Last chance, mansionate somebody. Oh, it's a re-trigger, and it is gonna mansion. So, 1 straw, 1 wood, 1 mansion. Love those spins. Alright, so we end up with 4 mansions this time. Wolfie Howl, this looks a little bit better than we're used to. Oh no, that wasn't a howl, that was a tail. What you got? 2-cent machine, all the numbers will double. Houses. Pretty nice numbers for the houses. And here come our 4 mansions. The ones we've been waiting for. Ooh, pretty low numbers for the mansions. But out of the blue, $85.50. Very nice. Let's do a few backups, see if we can't get something. Well darn. That would have made an exciting back-to-back. Oh, and we went buzzsaws next door. Alright, I don't sense an imminent bonus. So once again, remember to like, subscribe, leave comments, and of course, thank you for watching.